A cattle flow has brought an unseasonably cold and wet weather over parts of South Africa over the last day or so. Pietermaritzburg and East London received 37 millimetres of rainfall over a 24-hour period up until 8 o'clock on Thursday morning. Margate received 63, with Bishu, Kamani and Polokwane receiving almost 30 millimetres of rainfall. Bombela and Ermelo at 44 and 46. Now, that cattle flow has resulted in a cloudy and cold day over the eastern part of South Africa. It's brought in showers throughout the day, so we'll see those rainfall amounts accumulating into Friday. It also brought in snowfall for the Drakensberg and parts of the Free State. It results in a very cold night over parts of South Africa's interior, with minimum temperatures dropping well into the single digits and a few of those even dropping below zero overnight, with a slight possibility of rainfall still along the east coast. Skies clear out though as we head into Friday, with lots of sunshine and warmer temperatures into the afternoon. A fresh southerly wind is forecast along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, with a light to moderate westerly onshore flow along the west coast, and light to moderate wind speeds are expected across South Africa's interior. A sunny and mild to warm day is forecast throughout the Northern Cape, in the mid-20s for Presco, Potchefstroom and Kimberley, with a freezing start to the day for Colesberg and a high of 21. Warmer temperatures are expected for the Western Cape, with a bit of cloud overhead, 28 for Worcester and Robertson, Cape Town and Longabon heading into the mid-20s. Still quite cool along the Southern Cape coastline, with a high of around 20, with a chilly start to the day as we head further inland, but with a warm afternoon. You'll also see an unusually cold start to the day for the Eastern Cape for this time of year, with a few of those minimum temperatures dropping below zero overnight, with the highs heading into the upper teens and low 20s in the afternoon, with a slight possibility of rain along the coast. Sunny and dry for the majority of KwaZulu-Natal, other than some cloud along the coast, with maximum temperatures heading into the 20s. It'll be a dry into the work week as we head towards Mpumalanga. Still quite chilly for eMagazini and Ermelo, both in the upper teens, with the minimum of 5 and a high of 23 for Standerton, Emukondo and Bombela, matching that daytime high. We're expecting a dry day throughout Limpopo, 24 for Zenine and Polokwane, just shy of 30 for Lephalale, Bela and Messina. Sunny and warm as we head towards the northwest, 26 from Zeerust all the way through to Vryburg. It'll be a cold start to the day for the Free State, 2 and 22 for Bloemfontein, with a sunny afternoon, with a freezing start to the day for Zastron and a high of 19 degrees. 4 and 22 as we head towards Vereniging, with a fine and dry into the work week for Gauteng, and we'll see most of those highs heading into the mid-20s. Dry weather settles in across South Africa as we head towards the weekend, with temperatures slowly warming up, and by Sunday we'll see maximum temperatures in the 20s in the south, with highs reaching well into the 30s for the rest of the country. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.